ngayo ngale episode le, solely this episode, ukuthi kena do not fear ukuthi kena you will lose your job, you will be dismissed. Kuyathusa ngempela, ngiyavuma ukuthi kena uzoluza umsebenzi wakho. It's possible because of nature yendlela akutreata ngayo umqashi wakho, because mhlambe umqashi wakho akaquestionwa. Once you question, they become angry and you might even lose a job just for trying to reason with them, telling you that you got attitude, you think you are smarter than him or her and stuff, and that's how they throw their tantrums like little children. They must be reasonable because we are humans. We communicate our feelings. So if mina ngizama ukuthi kena ngikhulume nomqashi wami ngokungaphatheki kahle ngendlela angitreata ngayo, it is not like I'm insulting my employer, because bona ke uma sebeyiphendula lento kuba sengazathi kena wena you insult them. Yayibona leyo nto leyo, wena kumele uvumelane nayo yonke into noma ngathiwa ifaka wena emngozini, like athi ke niyosebenza endaweni eyingozi without i-proper PPE. Mhlambe lapho uyosebenza khona you can happen ukuthi u-inhale ama-chemicals are dangerous, and at the end of the day when uzothi mase ugula aqashe omunye umuntu. Yayibona yonke lento leyo, and that is what we are fighting against. Let's treat each other fairly, because we are working for you, we are making money for you with our productivity, and in return you are paying us salary so that we also feed our family and be able to live. So yeah, we are in a relationship, kumele sibambisane. Yayibona leyo nto leyo. Okay, so do not fear. That is why kunama labor legislations of basic conditions of employment esikuyona njengamanje, esigxile kuyo, ukuthi kena senze sure ukuthi kena wonke umuntu osebenzayo no ungakasebenzi, because uzosebenza one day, mhlambe usesikoleni but uzosebenza one day, and I think it's a good time ukuthi kena umunethuba lokuthi kena